Well, guys, we have made it to the morning. Survived the night. So I'm just getting the fire a little going here. Get a little warmth before we get heading out on the water. I'll make some coffee. And yeah, head out on the water. There's darker clouds to the south of us today. The rain did not come up here, so that was great. And yeah, so I'm going to head out, do a little bit more exploring of some places I haven't been up here, and a little more fishing, of course, and then head back to the ramp and call it a day. So I gotta get a coffee in me. I need that. So let's get this fire going and get the day going. Beautiful out though. All right, guys, we've made it back out onto the water. Got the camp all packed away, and now I'm just throwing. I took a 20-liter can because I didn't do the back deck. I was in a bit of a hurry, so I just put the big cooler on, and then I've taken a 20-liter can, had it down in my storage, pulled all this out, just putting it in so I don't have to worry about it later. So once this is filled up, I'm gonna head out, start cruising around, seeing what spots we can find, and hopefully land a fish. Otherwise, just enjoy this beautiful fall colors, guys. Like, whew, amazing. So let's get going. Once this is done, we'll get the adventure going again. So let's see what happens. No, 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 no. All right. Oh, you're good. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Take the line. Oh no, come on, up to the wall. mess up this time. Oh my gosh. Good. Okay. Whoa! Easy. This is a good fish. This is a good fish. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh, he's still got strength in him. Oh, don't go under the boat. There you are. Hey, bud. Come on. Come here. Are you tired? Look at you, buddy. Let's see you. Nope. Don't jump. Don't jump. Big. Look at this net. It's never right. There we go. Here we go, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Woo, what a fish. What a fish. All right, let's get him back in the water. There you go. Let him revive. Woo! That was probably one of the bigger fish this year. That was great. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Absolute garbage net. What brand is it? For Brill? Garbage, I don't know why. I mean, I like that it folds up nice. Absolute garbage net. Alright guys, I think we're gonna go try and find another place. See what we find. Let's go, punch it! I think I just found a dump. I was looking at this grate. This old garbage. Look at this. It is a dump. Wow. I'm finding all these interesting things I was just looking at this back channel. It's just down this narrow little gorge. But how did they get it out? Must put it on a barge. Crazy. Alright, well, I was just going to troll down this one and see what it is, but look what we found. Real exciting stuff, I know, guys. So, alright, let's keep going and see what we can find. Little river waterfall kind of thing right here. Nice. Alright, guys, well, we're back out onto open water. So, you know what that means. We're heading home, so let's get this going. I'm just going to jump this into some time warp and enjoy the ride back, guys. If I see anything, I'll stop and shoot it, but otherwise, let's just punch back and get ready to call it a day, okay? So, let's get going. Let's punch it. Well, guys, another year in the books. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing, guys. I really appreciate it. That's Sea-Doo Adventures Season 3 in the books. Like I said, stick around throughout the winter. Might have a couple videos through that. And like I said, next season, got some surprises coming, hopefully. And even more adventures. So again, thank you so much for this year. Thank you to everyone that subscribed. I appreciate that. Thanks for all the comments. It means the world to hear from you guys, so really appreciate that. And just thanks for coming along for all these adventures. Makes it fun for me while I'm out here making these adventures for you guys and stuff like that. So be safe out there over the off season, and if you're down south, enjoy it. Have fun out there. And guys, just remember, until the next time, which might be a little bit of time, who knows, be safe out on the water. All the best. Peace. Emotionally devastated. The year is over. Okay, let's wrap this up. Although a beautiful little island right here. All right. Oh.